Look, I want y'all to see. You see all this grass in here that sprung up since the last time I cultivated it, I tilled it? It's all through here. It's like a mat. And that's one of the big reasons I got to do this again. It's been a while, and I've heard people ask, how many times do you have to till it? Well, that's an answer that says it depends. If it's been, if I tilled it during the winter and I come back and I want to till it for spring, I could only get away with tilling it once if I was planting right after. But I tilled it. I tilled some fertilizer in, some lime in. Now I need to till it again because I got caught up with some stuff before I was planting. So, and this is where we are. So. Alright, I'm going to chill it, and then I'm going to plant it. Alright, y'all. Horse Tools, the guy that owns Horse Tools, I listen to Horse Tools podcast every now and then, or I don't think it's a podcast, I think it's a Thursday night gardening show, and he does little things. Well, I never knew this, but he was saying corn should be 30 to 36 inches in the rows apart, and then 6 to 8 or 10 inches, I forget, planted apart. I used to plant probably twice as close, and I did okay, but I've had failures too. But this guy knows what he's doing, so I'm gonna go ahead and plant like that. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rows, and that'll, I think these are 40, what, these were 60, 32, 40, yeah, 48, 45, 48 foot. That's 48 foot rows. Okay. Oh man, my brain ain't working fast. What I got over here. Oh Lord. I didn't pick that up last night. Alright, what I have over here, my little planting system from Joel from College Hill Farm taught me how to make that little planter. Y'all see it? Y'all saw it on the last video. And I'm gonna go ahead and do some bodacious sweet corn. You know, you got good people at your feed store. This guy didn't sell his stuff and went to the next year. He said, hey, I got a whole bunch of seeds I didn't sell last year. You want them? I said, sure, I'll give you money for them, though. He said, no. He goes, I didn't sell them last year. Look how much that is for 1 pound. $19 a pound, and he just gave that to me. To me, that builds confidence. I buy my stuff from him. I don't care what it is. I try and buy whatever I can get from him. If it's something he carries, I get it. If he don't carry it, I have to go to the box store, I get it there. I'm getting ready to plant. By the way, y'all, this seed is 3 years old. I bought it last year after the year before that he couldn't sell it. And watch, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, there ain't nothing wrong with these seeds. Y'all see later on in the year, after I get planted, that's gonna be plenty just right there, I bet. All right, y'all. What you think they doing? There's a head. There's a head. They doing something. And they all tangled up. So they all tangled up. They doing something. I almost stepped on. Alright, the corn is in, and that's the end of it. Thank God. I just got to do this fence right here, put it back up, and that ain't going to be too much of a chore. Got that post in, I got my gate up. I had to redo that gate. You see all the bracing I put on it. So, here we go. Corn in the main, and this is the main garden. It's always been called my main garden. This is where I do garden. So I moved corn here this year. Usually I do tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers here, but this year I wanted to do the corn. So let's see how it does. All right, y'all.